James, it's Sunday morning. Why aren't I asleep?
Because it's a Saturday morning.
Fuck. Also, why is there a box trailer attached to my ute?
Because we're picking up a race motor.
Just where we're going.
You're in today.
So, because you rang me up this morning and decided that what we needed is more engines that don't run to go with the engine we've already got that we disassembled into 1,000 pieces. We've apparently got two motors, one of which has a cooked bottom end, thrown rods, all the good stuff, and the other one has allegedly blown head gaskets, just failed its leak down test. Hopefully that's a usable bottom end. We can throw some new head gaskets in it. Might have to replace the heads. We've got them if we need them. So yeah, we're going to go from one blown engine to 3 blown engines, and maybe out of that we can make a race motor. Yeah, come on.
Here we are. Anthony attempted to back up a box trailer. Take one.
You happy with where this is, James?
It's in the back. No, I'm not. It's not in the car.
So where we got to yesterday was basically taking a whole different direction with this race motor.
Yeah.
So this whole jigsaw puzzle that we spent a week just pulling apart at the end of last year is basically probably going to be a waste of time.
Well, at this present moment in time, we've got 4 engines in this backyard. Engine number 1, a limited edition EJ252 with only 3 working cylinders. It's 37.5% down on power, and we've marked it up appropriately. Engine number 2, which the block is currently Anthony's seat for when he's driving the car. This one we pulled apart, hoping to see what we need to do to rebuild it.
So how productive's that been?
Well, we learned how to use a glory hole tool. So for Anthony it's very productive. Then over here, we've got 2 $100 motors.
Bro, I see race motor.
This one's already been, someone said they want to buy it. This one's got a bit of bearing noise in it when it's hot. And the second one apparently has got a fuck head gasket. I think that one's our race motor.